Hello, today we're gonna learn how to make ramen noodles with eggs with instructions. And this will be by Shami and Mim. These are the credits, the cook who wrote the script, the video camera, the director, and the visual aid. These are the acts used, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the process of cooking as it will be seen and shown on the video that we have found and recorded. But before we get started, here are the important informations. This picture shows the chemical and physical changes, properties, which as to make a ramen noodle, it's both, since we need the combustion to start our process of cooking the noodles, and which we need the water to melt the noodles so it is able to be eaten by us. We are gonna be using a metal cookware where it's gonna be first cold, but then when we turn on the fuel, it's gonna get hotter, meaning our noodles will get boiled in the water. This is the fire triangle from Act 2, which is the safety fires. So the first three elements that make up the fire triangle is heat, fuel, and oxygen. In this scenario, we have all three: the heat from the flame, the fuel from the natural gas, which includes methane, and the oxygen from the air around us. To ensure our safety, it is our responsibility to extinguish the fire by removing an element from the fire triangle whenever we are cooking and when there happens to be a fire. Ways to put out a fire is by a fire extinguisher because it incorporates carbon dioxide, and with the fire cover since it eliminates the oxygen from entering the fire. To cook ramen noodles with eggs, of course you need a pair of ramen noodle packet and eggs. Then you're gonna crack the 2 eggs so we can use it with our ramen for the video. Now we're gonna boil our water in our metal cookware. The boiling water, the temperature is going to reach its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling at one point is going to make a heat curve and phase change. Boiling is a process by which a liquid turns into a vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. The change from a liquid phase to a gas phase occurs when the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure exerted on the liquid. The heat generated by boiling the egg and ramen noodles acts as a catalyst. Boiling the ramen noodles accelerates the chemical process of transforming them into a newer substance. With the heat, they chemically combine all of the ingredients to create a new substance. Heat transfer is found in boiling water in 3 ways: conduction, convection, and radiation, which is our Act 1. When water is boiled on a stove, convection occurs because the water molecules at the bottom of the pot are closest to the heat source and gain thermal energy. They start to move faster and spread out, making the molecules at the bottom of the pot have less density.